This is my island in the sun, where my people
This is my island in the sun, where my people have toiled since time began. Though I have been away on many a sea, but her shores will always be home to me. I couldn't help but hum along this tune as I first set my eyes on the virgin beaches of Galle in Sri Lanka.
My father's hand.
Galle, an azure paradise located at the southernmost tip of Sri Lanka, 119 kilometers from Colombo. The location of the city adds extra points for its spectacular natural view. The borders of the city are all blue, and with the moonlight on water, it turns into a golden blush, so serene. The magnanimity of the Indian Ocean stands like the colossal Ravana Raja as viewed from Galle. Even the beauty of this water body is something extravagant. When viewed from Galle, something so different to gaze at. Our home away from home on this beautiful island was suitably named the Long Beach Resort. Spread out along Sri Lanka's southern coastline, the long beach of Galle has designed a fun spot for a sunny tropical holiday. The palm-dotted beaches, the clear blue infinite sky, the warm sunshine, the turquoise blue ocean, soothing twilights, sprawling cinnamon fields, and a mangrove-strewn lake with little laid-back islets. What a spread of delightful sights. But before we began our quest to experience the Sinhala way of life, all this journey and breathtaking views had built up quite an appetite for us. Appropriately, we checked out Long Beach Resort's exquisite dining experience. The extensive breakfast range of spicy Sri Lankan classics included traditional dishes like kottu, kiribath, hoppers, string hoppers, lamprey, kool, pituek, and oriental flavors. There was also an option to check out on various delicious Chinese, international, Thai, fishermen's, and Italian dishes. The serene view of the Indian Ocean, the sound of the incessant waves crashing on shores, became the perfect lullaby to melt our worries away. This experience topped with the warm hospitality of the staff members of the Long Beach Resort. Only strengthened my belief that the Sinhala way of life is the way to live.